like me. O is for owl with big round eyes, hooting softly under starry skies. P is for peacock with feathers so bright. Q is for quokka, smiling with delight. R is for reindeer running fast. S is for sun shining at last. T is for tiger going so loud, stripes so bold and proud. U is for umbrella when it rains. V is for vulture flying over plains, boy. W is for whale in the ocean blue. X is for sailor ting ting too. Y is for yacht sailing along. Z is for zebra singing our song. Choo choo, the ride is done. Learning letters is so much fun. From A to Z we sang with pride on our happy alphabet train ride.